front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the top right one and adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. If you want to use this alarm only once, you can enable this option next to delete this alarm after ringing by clicking on the switcher next to it. If you want to use it more than once, you can tap on repeat, pick days of the week and hit done. Now click on alarm sound, tap on any of those options to apply a perfect one. Select silent or click on add new, pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it and go back. You can also select label and name your alarm however you wish to. Then to save your label, hit done. Tap on snooze, decide how many minutes it will take, and use this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Now if you wish to save it, tap on the check mark at the top right corner. If you change your mind and decided you don't need it, discard it thanks to this X at the top left one. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To make some changes, tap on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it, and to delete it, hold it and click delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!